Greetings everybody, this is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today we're going to show you how to use Ysense. Now Ysense is a survey offer task affiliate site where it allows you to do tasks and get paid money. This is one way that you can make some extra cash. Now this is a disclaimer. This is not a quick get rich scheme. You have to do actual micro tasks in order to get paid. So we're going to show you the website here. It shows here paid surveys, cash offers, app-in tasks, referrals, add-on, help and assistance if you need it. So we're going to get started. We're going to click on paid surveys and then it will take us to the complete surveys and earn cash link. And here it shows you all the numbers. Now, there's a lot of surveys here that have high amounts, but then there are some that are low amounts. So to do that, you would sort the surveys by featured, reward. So the higher paying surveys would show first if you add the reward option. And then it also shows here shortest time, meaning that if there are shorter times, then you get certain amounts as well. So the shorter times usually pay lower amounts, so you have to be careful with that. But if you want to spend the extra time, go for the reward. And most of them will take around 20-22 minutes. So then you can also go view as a table. And it shows the provider, the survey number, and also the time it does, and the amount it pays out. Now you have to be careful here, and you cannot create multiple accounts because they will detect if you have multiple accounts. So only use one account at a time. And then they also have here offers where you can do Ysense offers, One Ads, Revenue Universe, Offer Toro, AT Studios, AdGate, AdSend, Peanut Labs, AdJam, and Hang My Ads. So we're going to go into the Ysense offers to see what offers they have here. So you basically can get money for playing games, signing up for casinos and services, and you can also sign up for trials. And it shows the amounts listed here. And for the games, it wants you to install the game and win 5 rounds to earn 200 cents. This is an example for the game War Thunder. And then it shows you can earn $25 if you complete Headquarters 21, and you can earn this amount. Now, it all depends on what you want to do. Now, you can pick the game, you can choose your favorite online service, and the higher the amounts, the more you have to invest in. So that's the thing. You have to be very discerning with the ones that you want to do. If you're a gamer, go for the gamer ones. If you like being in the casinos, go for the casino ones too. I personally don't do the casino ones because I'm not a gambler. So definitely do this at your own discretion. And then we're going to go to the affiliate program, and then it will show you that you could become an affiliate and start earning today. You can click on my link in the description below so that you can get a sign-in bonus, and you can earn your first $5 starting up. So if you click on the link there, it'll take you there. You can choose whatever you want to do. You can also complete tasks. So you have to have what's called an app-in account to sign up. It will give you instructions on how to sign up, but this is one way that you can make some actual money. And you can go to the various other offers here, and it'll take you to a third-party website so that you can do the surveys here. So 4,000 cents, that's about 40 bucks, 10 bucks, 25 bucks, $9, and that's $10 and $30. So you can earn quite a bit of money on here. Now, like I said, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's more of an earn extra money thing. So definitely consider Ysense for your money-making options. So yeah, this definitely is something that most people can do, and it's easy. You can also do this on your smartphone, and you can also get a Google Chrome extension so that you can always track how much you've made. And I made a total of $31, which you can cash out. You have to have a certain amount to cash out, and you can also, let's actually go through the cash out settings. So if you click cash out, it will take you to what you can do. So let's say you've earned enough money and you want to cash out on something. You can get Amazon gift cards, American Eagle Outfitters, Barnes & Noble, Bass Pro Shops, Bath & Body Works, Best Buy cards, Cineplex cards, Nintendo cards, LL Bean cards, Land's End, iTunes, Payoneer, PayPal, Reward Links, Skrill, Spa and Wellness, and also Starbucks. And then you can also filter it. So let's say you want a $500 card, and then there are no card options. So let's say $10. And then it shows up here with all the rewards. So you can also click everything out, and then it shows 18 rewards. I think they'll add more rewards as they go, but the rewards that you see here are the ones that you can cash out with your survey money. So it's really nice that you can just get paid to do things, and you can just cash out at any time. If you like Amazon, you can definitely use this to cash out for Amazon gift cards. So it definitely makes a difference. So there you go. I've shown you how to use the surveys, use the offers, do the tasks, sign up for an affiliate account, and also the cash out option. So there you go. This is one way that you can make money, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, and I'll also leave my affiliate link in the description below so that you can check me out. Thanks very much for watching, everybody. Have a great day.